Hi everyone, and welcome back to this SPSS tutorial series. So after performing the sorting activity on SPSS, after learning how to identify duplicate case, how to identify unusual case, which I want to say are essential skills to be able to clean your data set and make them look proper for analysis. We've also learned in the previous video how to filter data and be able to work just from a subgroup of a data set. However, in this video, we are going to learn how to save our data set so as to make it easier or so as to retrieve it when needed for analysis purposes. So you can actually see we are actually moving towards the analytical phase. However, in this video, we're going to learn how to save our data and also to learn how to retrieve it after saving. So to save your data after you've cleaned it properly, you simply have to go to File, as you can see here, and then you go to Save, or you can also decide to Save As. Okay, when you click to Save As, you actually give it a name, you actually give it a file name, and then you save it in a particular location where you easily be able to get access to it. It's actually easy. It functions the same as Excel. That is also what makes SPSS very friendly to use. Also, now how do we retrieve a data set from SPSS? This is actually easy, or open data set from SPSS. This is actually easy. So we are going to work with two ways. I'm going to show to you two ways how to do it. The first way, you can open your data set. When you click on File, you go to Open, and you go to Data, and then you identify the data. You go to the location where you've saved your data set, and then you import it directly from there. And make sure you have it in head. The SPSS format is what the SPSS extension format is the staff.srv. So any file you see with this extension, it simply means it is an SPSS file. Okay. So another way is simply by going to File and then you go to Recently Used Data. And this recently used data, you have the 3 latest data file you've worked with, and you can actually retrieve it easily, and you don't need to go and search it from where you store it, because SPSS can actually go back to your files and actually retrieve it directly from there. So here is simply the procedure to how to save your data set, and also how to retrieve it. This is actually the end of the introductory course to SPSS. Wishing you the best for the next videos on the SPSS, for this SPSS tutorial series. Bye.